Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to perform a complete factory reset on your Magene C406 bike computer. This process will erase all personalized settings, connected sensors, and your valuable ride history from the device itself. Before proceeding, it is crucial to ensure all your cycling data is safely uploaded and synchronized with the OneLap Fit application to prevent any loss. Before initiating the reset, the most important step is to back up your ride data. Open the OneLap Fit application on your smartphone and connect your C406. Confirm that all your latest cycling activities have been uploaded and are visible within the app. This ensures your hard-earned statistics are preserved before the device is wiped clean. The definitive way to factory reset your Magene C406 is through the OneLap Fit application. Once connected, tap on the Me tab, then select My Bike Computer. From there, go into Settings and you will find the Restore Factory Settings option. Confirm your choice, and your bike computer will restart, returning to its original state. After the reset, your Magene C406 will restart and display its initial setup screen. You will need to reconnect it to the OneLap Fit app to reactivate the device and begin customizing it again. Remember to repair all your speed, cadence, and heart rate sensors, and then adjust your preferred display settings for your next ride.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.